Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to program a Chevy Impala key fob. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. We'll cover activating your vehicle's remote learning mode, programming each fob, and then exiting the process. Remember to have all key fobs, both old and new, present before you begin, as they all need to be programmed at the same time for proper function. To begin, insert your ignition key and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate your vehicle's information button, usually on the steering wheel or dashboard. Press this button repeatedly until you see Press to Relearn Remote Key on your display. Then, press and hold the Set or Reset button until the display confirms Remote Key Learning active. Your Impala is now ready to accept new key fob signals. With the vehicle in learning mode, take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You should hear an audible chime from your Impala, confirming that the fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, including any that previously worked, repeat this exact step for each one. All fobs must be programmed during this single session. Once all your key fobs are programmed, it's time to exit the learning mode. Simply turn your ignition key to the off position and then remove it from the ignition. This action will finalize the programming process. Finally, take a moment to test each of your key fobs. Verify that the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons all function as expected. Congratulations, your Chevy Impala key fobs are now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.